Good morning, guys. My name is Ali. On this channel, we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and continue on watching. Today, I'm looking at M1 Finance app, and I just want to show you how to do a manual buy. For example, if you want to invest into a particular stock and basically put money in one stock and not the others, how do you do that? I'm going to show you guys how to do that this morning. First thing I want to share with you guys, I always had $17 get deposited into my investment every week. I raised it to 25. You just go down here, you go under your home screen, and you go under transfer rules. And this thing was $17. You just simply click down here, and you click on the edit option. You guys can, let me go back real quick here. You guys can see how it was $17 last instance over here, 17 bucks. You just hit edit, and I change it to 25 frequency, weekly, and every Monday of the week. All right, so I changed it from 17 to 25, but today's video is going to be strictly about how to do a manual buy. So when you go into your home screen, let's go into look into our holdings right here. As you guys can see, I have a few stocks over here. And if we look at the overall, Berkshire and Alphabet are down right now. And if I do a manual buy, you can do that by coming over here. My buying power, as you guys can see over here, is $17.05. So I can go in by clicking buy, and I can basically tell it, it's telling me right here, buying power is $17.05. I can basically use the whole amount, $17. And one thing I wanted to show you guys, hold on one second before we do this here. The reason I changed this to 25, my deposits, weekly deposit, instead of 17 to 25, because of this right here. It says auto invest. This is basically the auto invest. Auto invest will turn on auto invest to automatically invest all of your cash. Trading will initiate once you have at least $25. You can also set minimum cash balance to remain invested in your account. And trading will initiate once your balance at least $25 over that set amount. So basically, the way M1 Finance does it, when it sees $25 in your buying power, that's when it's going to start investing. So instead of me waiting bi-weekly, because basically this number is not going to hit 25 until the second week, start doing 25. So as soon as that $25 goes in, it's going to get invested back into my holdings. So basically, there's no time wasted. Like right now, Berkshire and Alpha are both down. So if I invest today, it's going to find the stock that's underweighted, which is these here, these two, or these three actually. And it's going to take the $17 and puts it into underweighted ones. As you guys can see over here, I want this to be 13% of my portfolio, and it's I'm down by basically what is that, 7%, and this one is 5%, but it's 5.8. Maybe I'm not understanding this very well, but anyway, I think the stocks that are down, or no, wait, it's going to look for the ones that are underweighted. This is this is, again, I'm still beginner, guys, so I'm kind of learning this as I go. This one, I told it to make this to be 14% of my portfolio, so I'm down 1%. I told it for Tesla to be 14%, and I'm up. By the way, Tesla's doing really, really well. Look at that, 40.35%. Meta is doing 47.25%. The gains on these are really, really doing well. But anyway, anything that's below, you got your target, and you got your holding. My target is 12%, and I'm only have 11%. So it's going to put money into this stock. My target is 15. It's at 14. It's going to put money into this ETF. This one here is 11, and my target is 11. It's at 10, so I don't think no money's going to go in here. If any of you guys think I'm explaining this wrong, please leave your comments below, because I need to start learning how to do this. And I spend literally 1 hour a month on this, and I'm trying to learn it as I go. Anyway, so this is 11%, and it's at 10.5 Amazon. So it would definitely put money in here, because I want this to be 11% of my portfolio, and so on and so forth. So if we go in here, today's video is gonna be strictly talking about buying an individual stock. So you would go in here, you go buy, sell, and you would put in my buying power. You guys can see right here, $17.05. I'm gonna go ahead and put in $17.05. Whoa, not 1,000. 17.05. How do I do that? 17. Is it 0.05? There you go. 17.05. And I would hit continue. And there we go. Amount 17.5. By the way, the 5 cents, that was dividends from Apple. I don't have a whole lot of money into Apple, but you know, as we buy more shares, the larger the dividends going to be. So over here it says Monday. What do we got? It's going to go into tech buy, which is the only pie that I have. When 9:30 a.m. today. So today at 9. Right now it's as you guys can see, it's 7:14, and it's going to go into 9:30, which is in a couple hours. We're going to do confirm buy. This is my first time doing this, guys, so I'm trying to learn it as I go. Order submitted. Your buy order to tech buy has been submitted. Hit done, and basically right now I have 0 balance buying power, and it's gonna, in a couple hours, gonna invest into my pie. One thing I want to mention to you guys, if you ever go in and try to do a manual buy and you decide to cancel, if you look up here, it says pending buy, $17. You can cancel that because it's just a pending transaction. So right now we haven't really, you know, you still have up to 9:30 a.m. before you can cancel this buy. So that option is always there for you. Just keep that in mind. Okay, again, the example that I just showed you guys, basically it invests whatever buying power into your pie, your tech pie, or whatever pie you have. But if you want to do manual trading, say for example, let's go ahead and cancel this real quick, okay? I'm going to do cancel order. Okay, but that just shows you how to do manual trading. Say if I want to come down here and put in some money into Berkshire, for example, I'm going to click on, I click on the individual stock, come down here, hit buy, sell, and I would do, let's say I have $17.05. So I'm going to do $7.05, 0.05. I need to remember to do that. All right, so I'm going to put in $7, which leaves me with buying power of 10. So I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to get traded again, $7.05, Berkshire Hathaway, at 9:30, which is in a couple hours. Confirm and buy. So what I just did, I put in money directly into my Berkshire stock, and now my buying power went down to $10 because I used $7.05 into to invest into Berkshire. So now if I go back to my main screen again, for example, and look at my holdings, I just put in $7 into this stock here, and I want to come down and put in another $10. I'm going to put in 5 and 5 into these two, okay? So I'm going to go here, I'm going to go buy, and I'm going to go, this one is Alphabet buy sell, Alpha Slice. I want to make sure that I'm doing this right. Hold on, guys. Okay, so you got, there's 2 different Alphabet. That's why I don't want to go back and put in. Okay, you got Google Alphabet, and you got, one is GG or GOOGL, and one without the L. Okay, so let's do the one with the L right here. They're both Google, but they invest into different. They have different investment. We're gonna go buy and sell. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna put in $5. Let me shut off my alarm. Okay, so we're gonna put in $5 into these guys. Again, it's gonna be $5. Alphabet, traded at 9:30. Hit confirm. Done. And now I'm gonna go again into my individual stocks. I'm gonna go into portfolio. I'm gonna go down to the last one here. You see how there's that little arrow right there? You click, you can see clearly that there's investment going in. And you see these arrows going back and forth. It shows that there's investment going in. So we're gonna click down here on the last one. I'm gonna put in another $5 into this one by clicking buy and sell. And my buying power is $5, so I'm gonna do $5.00, $5, okay? And we're gonna hit continue. And now we got another $5 going into Alphabet. Hit confirm. It's going in at 9:30. So now my buying power is 0. And I'm going to come down here. Excuse me. Come down to my portfolio again. And if we scroll down, we can see Berkshire's getting. I did an individual buy with Berkshire. I did an individual buy with Google Alphabet and Google Alphabet. So basically, that's how you do individual buy. I hope today's video helped you guys. And I know I made a lot of mistakes because I'm kind of brand new into this. But if you guys can help me out with a couple tips, leave them below. I'll be more than happy to hear your advice. I'm always open for recommendation and advice. Again, I changed my my auto invest to be $25 a week. This way, every time the money gets deposited, it will get invested right away because it's at the minimum threshold, which is $25. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tick the bell icon if you want to get notified every time I upload make money online or investing, any financial related videos. And for those of you guys that are part of my channel, I want to thank you so much for your support. Have a wonderful day. And if you guys want to open up a new account with M1 Finance, which is completely 100% free, the link's going to be below. And also you'll get $100 for free, so you can start your investing with $100. Basically start buying, you get free stocks up to $100 by clicking the link below. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye. Best of luck.